Network Entertainment.
Hello, welcome to another episode of Walang Edit with me, Leland Lim. Still with my co-host, Jed Gregorio.
Holla.
So again, we're gonna talk about, unfiltered conversations here. Unfiltered takes, mga ganyan. But of course, before that, I want to introduce a very special guest. Naging kaibigan ko to for a few years na rin. No?
Yes.
He is a renowned Filipino content creator,
It's true.
comedian, and now an improviser, ladies and gentlemen. With a following of 1 million on TikTok. If I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure if this is updated. 1.5 million followers on Facebook. And 63,000 followers on Instagram. His viral success began in 2019 with an iconic character, Auntie Julie.
Yeah.
I was a very huge
Naman
fan of
yan.
that character as well. He started creating dubbing meme content in 2017 during college before committing full-time. I hope that's also correct. He creates. Hindi ba tapos tama ba to?
Grabe naman to.
He also creates relatable satirical skits based on everyday Filipino life. Like yung mga sa jeep, sa office, families, and the likes. He combines comedy with social commentary on issues like sex education, LGBTQIA+ rights, mental health, and my favorite, politics.
Yeah.
Yan.
Naman.
He is regarded
Grabe.
as a thought leader and progressive voice among younger generations.
Diyos me yun. Grabe naman to.
We won't stop until you're fully uncomfortable.
Hanggang namumula ka na.
With the compliments.
And of course, hailed for clever, insightful comedy that avoids cheap shock value.
Ay, grabe naman yung cheap shock value.
Diba? Maganda yun. Maganda yung line na yun.
Yeah.
Like, I 100% agree. He's known among real fans as grounded, authentic, and of course, I don't think everyone knows this, but he is regarded as introverted off camera.
Yes, indeed.
Ladies and gentlemen, Makoy Dub!
Yes!
Hello!
Great to have you, Mr. Dubs.
Grabe. Thank you so much.
How are you
Jad
feeling?
and Leland. Grabe, first time ko dito sa Walang Edit. Oo.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for having me.
Thank
And
you.
grabe yung benta, no?
Siyempre, I
Parang-
don't wanna undersell or
Yeah.
at least, I want to give you give justice to your
Yes,
introduction.
you deserve it.
Grabe. Para namang pala to, advertising pitch.
Oo. Sa hindi po mga nakakaalam.
May creds pa.
If first time nyo lang nakikinig sa podcast or first time nyo lang ako nakita, pareho kaming galing sa advertising ni
Yes.
Makoy. Ano ka ba? Strat ka ba dati? Or
Ako dating PR na nag-accounts tapos naging creative.
Damn,
Okay.
all around.
Oo,
all around?
oo.
Ano yung favorite hat mo or era mo
Nako, eto
in
na.
the agency life?
Parang feeling ko ang pinaka-favorite kong era, accounts era eh.
Talaga?
Kasi,
Oo.
kasi you get to do
Okay.
a lot of everything, no?
Kasi from filing the CE or cost estimate hanggang sa paniningil, ikaw pa rin eh.
Oo, ikaw pa rin. Ikaw maghahabol ng kliyente.
Oo, ganon.
ganyan. Ba't ka umalis? Bukod sa gusto mo na i-pursue tong showbiz industry.
Grabe, no? Alam mo, yung advertising, marami talaga akong natutunan dyan. Marami ring mga heartaches, headaches.
Tulad ng
Body
Tulad
ache.
ng body aches kasama na yon. Tsaka mga wallet ache.
Oh.
Mga sakit ng pitaka, charet. Hindi, kasi, kaya ako umalis dyan, guys. Nung 2020 kasi, nung kasagsagan na nung mga TikTok era,
kala ko COVID eh.
may COVID din nun, di ba?
May COVID.
Sobrang, parang nakailang lockdown tayo nun, di ba?
Yeah.
Enhanced, mga community quarantine. So, nung 2020, nung nagkaroon na ng chance na mag-host ng noontime show, yung Lunch Out Loud sa TV5, hindi ko na kayang yung schedule.
Right.
Hindi ko na kayang i-manage.
Kasi may weekdays na yun.
Oo, tsaka yung taping namin, 2 hanggang 3 episodes kami per day.
Oo nga ba
Taped
nun?
siya. Kasi bawal pa live audience nun eh.
So, tumatawag sa'yo yung kliyente.
Oo, di ba? Follow up sa akin.
Teka lang, take 2 na to eh.
O, pa-follow up sa akin yung kating ko. Para Makoy, for your minsan for approval, minsan can we see your your output, mga ganon. So, kinausap ko yung boss ko. Sabi ko, Rosh, parang kailangan ko ng i-let go to. Then pumayag naman siya. Then nag-freelance ako doon. Freelance tattoo.
Sa kanila pa rin.
Sa kanila pa rin, sa BBDO.
I see.
Okay.
Sorry, what role was this when you were about to leave, like in accounts?
Sa ako niyan, I was a social media manager.
Umikot ka talaga, no?
Umikot talaga. And
Grabe.
then I have my teammates. So, 4 kami sa team, if I remember it correctly. And then, yun ang structure kasi.
So, inikutan mo lahat bukod sa creatives?
Creatives ka rin, no?
Kasi parang yung concept ng BBDO nung time na yan for social media team, may pagka-creatives na rin. Kasi we write the captions.
Okay, get
Ideas.
Yeah,
for
correct.
content.
We also brainstorm with the creatives, diba? With the CD, ACDs.
Parang grabe yung job description mo, masyado malawak.
Malawak siya. Tapos, syempre, we work also closely with strategists, mga ganyan.
Right.
Oo.
But you're an improviser now as well.
Oo,
Nag-improv.
yes.
Grabe, daming shows ni Labaus na, well, di man madami. Siguro 2 to 3 shows na yung napuntahan ko. You Noted with Things.
Noted
Yes,
with things.
Noted with
Shout
Things.
out.
Kasama niya sila Baus, sila Isa, and the rest of the gang. It's refreshing yung shows nyo. Kasi every time you're gonna, improvise a scenario. Ganun ba, Jad?
Yes,
Ganun ba yung tawag?
When you play a game, create a scene.
It's a totally different Makoy.
really?
Na parang lumalabas yung mga hindi namin nakikita sa
social
content mo.
media.
Skits.
No, grabe.
Now I really want to watch Noted with Things, but I haven't yet. So, now I want to watch, especially to see this version of Makoy.
Manood ka nun, John.
I will.
Pinipilit ko mag-stand up si Makoy kanina.
Oo nga eh. Ina-upsell niya kanina yung mag-stand up daw ako. So talaga, hindi ko na first kong narinig yan, na parang ibang tao yung nakikita nyo pag nag-i-improv.
Hindi ka namin nakikita na nagiging ganong on the spot na as a creative person na sobrang bilis dumaloy ng creative juices within a span of 1 to 3 seconds. Kailangan meron na. So, normally makikita ko yung mga skits mo, mga point of view mo, but never in action. So that's what I meant. Na parang, it's good to see different aspects of these people that you see online do something differently. And it's surprising to me how you were able to not only tackle yung specific topics na, alam ko, nandiyan yung jokes and
From
everything.
the crowd, diba?
Pero, you dig deeper eh. So,
yung mga
parang,
prompts.
So, kindly watch them. Noted with Things with Baus, Isa, and ang dami nyo eh. So, parang ayoko na isa-isa.
Parang 12 kami sa casting eh.
Dami pala, 12.
Oo, 12 kami.
Which is great because you guys rotate, no? If one's busy, at least may
nagro-rotate.
11 pa.
That's right, nagro-rotate kami. Pero ako kasi, for this year, ang sabi ko kina Baus, sabi ko, lang ako every other month lang ako Hindi na ako every month, unlike noong 2024. Kasi, yun nga, the schedule din kasi and other commitments. So, every other month po ako lumalabas. Yun.
Every other month. Pero madalas pa rin yun. For like, kasi ilang shows ka ba a month? 1 lang naman yata.
Oo, once a month lang din naman kami
so,
mag-show.
madalas pa rin.
Oo.
Did you also learn through yung school ni Spit, si Third World Improv?
Yes, dyan ako nag-aral.
Awesome.
Okay.
When did you start? Kasi it takes a long time to finish parang all the levels.
Ano yan level 1 up to level 5 yan. So,
nice.
Anong level yung favorite mo?
Level 4.
Kasi, see?
Gets.
You know, it's not, alam kong iba-iba eh.
Yes,
Iba-iba,
yes.
di ba? Pero
Iba-iba.
karamihan ba level 4? Sinasabi?
I'm not sure kasi I've never tried it.
Okay.
Pero based on, people's stories dun sa community, iba-ibang, kumbaga di ba sa college, meron kang general subjects. Tapos may major ka, specialization, ganyan, specific. So bakit level 4? Anong tinakal nyo sa level 4?
Yung level 4 kasi, Yung level 4, mas focus na siya sa scene work and how to make your partner look good even better. Masyadong technical man pakinggan, 'di ba, sa mga nakikinig ngayon. Pero it's really a matter of it's really a matter of making the scene longer. But at the same time, making the scene work for the audience. It's not parang,
it's not about you.
It's not about us. It's not about me. Hindi to because of our group, but it's because
for the money.
For the dahil kailangan natin ng pera. Joke lang. Kailangan kasi naiintindihan din ng audience ano yung scene na ginagawa natin.
Right.
Yeah.
It's different Pag ikaw lang, sa utak mo, iba yung nasa utak mo compared to their perspective from an outsider's perspective nga. So, ba't ka napunta dyan?
Actually, yeah.
Barkadahan lang ba yan?
We're into theater beforehand. Usually that's the usual path na. Theater ka, then improv
That's the usual route na nangyayari. Kumbaga, 'di ba, kunwari pag high school or college, nag-theater group ka na eventually for the rest of your life. Charet. Parang theater actor or actress ka na, 'di ba? Ako, nag-theater ako nung high school. College, hindi ako nag-theater. Pero during the pandemic, si Aaron Cristobal.
Right.
Shout out, Aaron.
Meron din siyang podcast. So, nung pandemic, 2020, I remember, ginest niya ako sa podcast. Sa podcast niya noon. And then, ang topic namin was about horror movies. Mahilig kasi ako sa horror movies.
Okay.
And one of my favorite horror movies was Dead Silence.
Ano nga ulit?
Yung ventriloquist camera.
Okay.
It's a good movie. Underrated lang siya. Hindi siya ganun kasikat.
It's a good chill watch before sleeping.
Tama. Pwede. Tapos magbanlaw ka ng Snow White. Diba?
Okay.
Magbanlaw ka lang ganon.
So, habang nagpe-play, tutulugan mo siya. Yung Snow White.
Oo, diba? Para makatulog ka. And then, after the recording, sabi niya sa akin, baka gusto mo mag-enroll ng level 1 ng TWI, yung Third World Improv. And then sabi ko, sige, pero bago ako mag-guest, or bago ako mag-enroll, baka pwede mo akong bigyan muna ng
discount.
Hindi, kasama na yung discount. Mukhang pera talaga no? So yon, and then parang nagpaano siya, yung intro class.
Right, the teaser.
Teaser class.
Right.
So nag-send siya ng link. Okay, sige, this is the link. Go there. It's about 2 to 3 hours. And then yung sabi ko, sige, enroll na ako. Then sinabibay.
Nahok ka.
Agad-agad.
Spit. Ha?
Agad-agad.
Oo, and then naghanap na ako ng schedule na appropriate. Kasi talagang, I think every weekday siya during those times.
Madalas pala.
Yeah, and then it ends with, parang 8 weeks siya or more or less.
mga ganyan.
Then it ends with the show.
Para summer
diba?
school.
On top of work pa.
On top of
work.
Parang workshop talaga siya.
Alam mong gusto mo na siya gawin pag pipilitin mo nang ipasok sa schedule mo.
Kahit pagod ka.
Oo, kasi yung mga naging classmates ko din, may iba doktor, may iba sa government agency.
So, chop suey talaga, no?
Talagang
It sounds like from that teaser class mo lang na-hook ka. Tama.
Yes,
Is that right to assume? So, is there something about improv that made you like, oh my God, I want to sign up kagad? Like, something about it that you love?
It's the scenes.
Okay.
It's the scenes and the prompts. Kasi what I like about improv, there's no script at all.
Okay.
And then pwede kang gumawa ng sarili mo kasing bubble na parang okay, let's make it drama, let's make it comedy pero in our own world. Parang may ganun kasi siyang aspect And world building, parang Minecraft. Nabiro lang. Pero kasi siya, kaya
build your own world.
Yeah, build
with Minecraft.
Ang ganda nun
Ay, with Twee pala.
Parang ang gandang product nun. Build your own world.
Pero lang tagline for their next campaign.
PlayStation 6.
Oh, so sorry.
Gumagano.
Sorry, our ad.
Sorry, yung mga hindi nanonood sa umiikot lang yung kamay namin.
Lumalabas yung mga brilyante.
We're making our mnemonic device now.
Encantadia magic
Encantadia pala. So yun, parang you can make your own your scenes para kang nasa loob ng isang bubble. Yun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya.
Right.
Solid.
Okay.
It's not structured, technical.
Ayaw mo nang may format.
Yes.
Okay, gets.
Kasi di ba pag teatro,
Script.
Ito yung
Blocking.
ito yung mo dyan, ganito yung atake mo dyan.
Nilinya mo.
Oo.
And I guess it's a great escape from your day job. Because parang yun, if you're a corporate person, now you can be anything you want when
That's
it comes
true.
to the improv class.
Yes, parang, kasi di ba meron akong social media, yung mga content creation, yung mga gimmick na ganyan. And then I told myself, okay, since hindi naman ako nakakast sa mga movies or let's say sa mga TV show, nag-enroll ako sa improv para yung gusto kong mangyari for my acting stint, nandun pa din. Diba? Kumaga makakapag-acting pa rin ako kahit hindi sa harap ng camera.
Tsaka mas
yun
raw
siya.
siya
Oo, kasi diba?
Live audience.
Oh, live audience, tapos may maririnig kang matatawa.
Hindi mo pwede edit.
Hindi mo pwede
Walang
edit.
edit.
Diba? Pag medyo nakaka-offend yung scene,
Yari
hindi
ka.
ma-offend kayo talaga.
Diyan kayo.
Wala.
Bayad kayo, di ba?
So, diba? Ganon.
Were you always funny? Like growing up?
Nice.
Wow. Funny, siguro na-realize ko na lang yan nung high school. Kasi nung elementary, I was very shy. And I was bullied in elementary. So, self-confidence, wala talaga. Kaya sabi ko nga nung high school, John and Lilan, I told myself, pag nag-high school ako, kailangan CAT officer ako.
Talaga?
I need to be, may ganun ako.
Sorry, what's CAT?
It means Citizenship Advancement Training.
This guy, ano ba?
Parang like...
Ano ba
Wala
sa
bang
inyo?
ganyan sa ano?
Ano ba sa Zobel?
Sa Sobel ka ba nag-high school? Wala bang ganun sa Sobel? Sorry guys.
Wala lang, may hall monitor lang kami. Ganun. Is that the same?
Hey,
No.
you can't go out yet.
Ikaw, saan ka nag-high school?
Don Bosco ako, sa Kalento.
Meron ba sa Don Bosco?
Wala yata, puro Boy Scout.
Boy Scout.
Parang Boy
Yeah.
Scout. Nag-Cub Scout ako, pare.
Oh.
That's
Ano, grade school?
Grade school.
Ganito ba yung Cub Scout? Alam ko eh.
Oo, diba?
Tapos may
Yan.
Carabao.
Mga Bosconians pala, mga Salesians pala to eh.
Oo.
Oo.
And then, nung college, Dominican na.
Oo. Kasi sa Mandaluyong, may mga cousins kasi ako na nag-aral sa Don Bosco, kaya alam ko rin ang spirit and culture of Bosconians.
Mabaho, amoy bakal.
Oo, kasama na 'yon. Tsaka talaga, all walks 'yan eh, 'di ba? Kahit
Hello.
sa mo itapo ng
Para siyang uste.
Oo, 'di ba? All walks talaga.
Isipin mo
Welcoming.
Di ba puro technical subjects doon sa Don Bosco? High school pa lang, paglalagariin na kayo, ganyan. Dude, may katabi ako sa kanan. Hindi ko na sabihin yung pangalan. May amoy siya. Granted, lahat kayo pawis doon. So, amoy nito. Pero dito, amoy flower. Sabi ko, so ito, anak mayaman to. Yung katabi ko sa kaliwa. Ito, medyo pareho kami. So parang all walks of life. Tama yung sinabi mo sa Don Bosco. And then, pag lunchtime na, pare-pareho na kayo talaga.
Oh, that's great.
Like, ang hirap hindi mag-merge.
Correct.
Kasi you're not gonna be friends talaga.
Talaga, may equalizer feels talaga siya.
Saan ka nag-high school ulit?
Sa IETI, it's not a so sikat school in San
Right.
Pedro.
Laguna.
Pero masayang naging high school life ko. So yun, naging nagsulat ako sa organ, sa publication nung high school.
Okay.
Tapos tumakbo akong student council nung high school.
Class president.
Hindi naman. Parang representative.
Ano yun? Wow, close to the people.
Parang third year representative, fourth year representative.
PRO?
Parang ganyan. Oo.
Usually yun yung mga close with the batch eh. Parang
Yes,
you have to listen
yes.
to the wants of the batch.
Yeah,
Tapos
parang okay, ano ba ang problema ng third year? I-address natin.
Okay. Guys,
Ganyan
ito,
siya.
may libreng snacks pag recess.
Oo,
Mga ganyan.
ganun. Guys, may libreng ice candy na pupunta sa classroom. Pag
I'd vote
foundation
for that.
day. Charot. Hindi, pero masaya yung high school life ko. Kaya, I'm coming from the experience kasi nung elementary na palipat-lipat ako ng school
Okay.
because my parents are separated. So, Cavite, Laguna ang life ko noon. Pero, high school, I settled in Laguna. Actually, grade 4 pa lang, Laguna boy na ako eh. And then, until college, first year, nakatira na ako sa dad ko, sa Navotas. So, yun, Letran. Sa Letran ako nag-college.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Sabi kasi nila, okay, hindi kasi ako class clown before. Alam ko stand-up comedian ako now. Pero never ako naging, siya yung nakakatawa sa class. Hindi ako naging ganun. So,
Pero
were
ano
you
ba yan?
a class clown before?
Class clown.
Or at least sa high school when you,
Mahilig
got
ako
out of your shell.
mag-impersonate.
Wow, as early as
ng
then.
teachers. Nung high school and college.
In front of them?
In front of my classmates.
Okay.
But your teachers, in front of your teachers?
Ay, syempre no. Baka bigyan ako ng, baka maibagsak ako eh. Diba? So, mahilig ako
Galing.
mag-impersonate nung college, high school. Pero, I never imagined or thought na I'm a class clown. Kasi, alam mo naman, ang mga bakla sa classroom, competitive. So, meron akong mga baklang, kaklase nung college. I think 4 sila na magagaling din magpatawa. So, hindi na ako nakikipagkompetensya. Binigay ko na yun sa kanila.
Sabi na lang ni Mokoy, hintay lang kayo. Masisikat ako sa inyo.
Hindi na. Grabe naman.
Wait till
Good friend ko rin naman yung 4 na yon. Pero, yun nga, parang sila in their own right. Parang pag may timing na kaya nila magpatawa, sige na kayo na magpatawa. Pag ako, late lang yung prof.
Diyan na lang kayo. Hintayin ko
Impersonate
yung
ko na lang.
pera ko 10 years from now.
Wait till
Grabe naman.
2019.
Oo, ganyan. So, yun.
Ikaw ang impressions nila mga skits.
Sa skits, makikita nila.
Wow.
Ito parang, okay. Meron kaming segment, Makoy, na tinatawag
The first
naming Who's on your list?
Who's on your list?
Oh my God, di ko alam
So,
to. I'm excited.
Ang pinanggalingan nito
Let's
is,
go.
kasi mahilig kasi ako magtanim ng sama ng loob dati.
Ay, nako.
Ngayon medyo okay na.
Okay.
Yeah.
But-
Thank you, therapy.
Self-therapy. Hindi, pero meron ako lagi listahan of people who influenced me, who gave me motivation, who inspired me. Pero meron din ako listahan, kabila, ng mga people na, alam mo yun, doubted you. Na parang, wala to si Lilat. I won't be vocal about it, pero may list ako.
May list ka.
Sa utak ko. Na, ito, medyo, hindi naman sa binuli, pero walang tiwala sa akin yan. Gusto ko tanungin, hindi mo naman kailangan sagutin.
Okay.
Ikaw bahala. So, top 3 most influential people in your life na-inspire ka.
Yeah.
Na-inspire.
Whether they did something positive or negative that impacted you.
Okay.
Kahit ano.
So, halo-halo naman to, di ba?
If you want.
Positive,
Hindi, wait.
negative.
Ayusin natin. Gusto ko
sige.
muna marinig yung good side.
Okay.
Okay,
Sige.
the good
Positive.
side.
Top 3.
May names talaga?
Ikaw bahala.
Sige. Yung iba, kahit hindi ko na-i-mention. Pero I think first on the list, siguro si Lloyd Cadena.
Oy, okay.
The late Lloyd Cadena.
Rest in peace, yes.
Yeah, rest in peace. A good friend also. So, malaki ang influence niyan sa akin kasi sabay kaming nag-college eh.
Okay.
Sa Letran. Higher lang ako ng 1 taon sa kanya. Pero I saw his progress din talaga.
Pioneer siya.
Pioneers, one of the OGs.
Yes.
Yan. So, ano yan? Number 1 yan. Number 2, may former boss in real estate.
Okay.
May former boss in real estate.
Why him?
Ha?
Why this boss?
Marami ako natutunan eh.
Okay.
But also, the real estate industry is the one din na talaga nagkaroon din ng pressure in my life. Actually, syempre sa real estate, kota-kota dyan. Diba? So, dyan ako nagkaroon ng time na parang shocks. Bakit naman tayo napipressure sa mga kota na yan? But, may former boss nung time na yan, he's the one din talaga na nag-motivate sa akin and told me na if you want to leave real estate, it's okay. I will accept and go back to the one that you really love, which is
making people laugh.
Oh, ganyan. Or communications industry.
The creative
Yan,
industry.
oo. And then the third one, siguro I must say it's a good friend from college. She's a she. Kasi nakitira ako sa kanila nung nasa Qatar ako.
Okay.
And she's really the one na nakita rin yung struggles ko when I was in Qatar until such time na umuwi rin ako ng Pilipinas. So this is a very good friend. Her name is Angel.
Shout out, Angel.
Angel Magat, hello if you're listening.
Hey,
hello,
I mentioned
hello.
you. So I really talagang she really her family really helped me during my darkest times. Wow.
Okay.
Oo, yan.
So yun yung tatlo. Lloyd
Yun yung
Cadena.
The boss.
Former
The
boss.
boss.
Real
Yes.
estate.
Yes.
And si Angel.
And si Angel, yes.
Okay.
Miss Angel.
Yeah.
So tapos na tayo sa good side.
Yeah, the good
This is
side.
up to you if gusto mo siyang ituloy.
Go! Oo.
You don't need to drop names.
Okay, okay.
But please, if you feel like
sa
it.
list mo, I'm sure you have, I think everyone has a list.
Oo naman.
Yeah,
Yes.
imposible.
Yeah.
Madami.
Ako lang or tayo lang, Jad, or tayo lang, Makoy.
Oo.
Like, lahat ng nakikinig ngayon, I'm sure meron kayong listahan sa utak nyo, lalo na kung very motivated kayo in life. Alam mo yun, na balang araw lang mapapatunayan ko sa mukha mo. Diba? Doon sa listahan mo, can you like tell us about at least one person na parang hindi naman did you wrong, but parang lagi siyang nasa utak mo na gusto ko i-prove wrong tong taong.
Meron
ka bang ganun?
meron.
Okay.
This is someone na this is someone na nakatrabaho ko rin before.
Sa advertising.
Same industry natin?
Not in the showbiz industry, not in entertainment, but in publishing.
Publishing.
Okay.
Yeah, publishing. Na talagang nakatikim ako ng mga words na hindi talaga nakaka-motivate. Oo, parang may diin, ganyan. And I hope this person is still
jail.
doing okay in life. I think this person is still doing okay in life, pero every time talaga na nami-meet ko siya, talagang may pa rin ako sa kanya. Parang naalala mo ba yung mga pinaggagawa mo noon? Ganon.
Hindi mo na maalis yun eh.
Hindi
I mean,
mawawala
you can forgive.
Yeah.
Pero hindi mo makalimutan yun.
Like one time, I think 2 years ago, na-meet ko siya ulit.
How was it?
Sa isang event na related sa fashion.
Okay.
Which is nagulat din ako dahil bihira ako na i-invite sa mga fashion events. Dahil number one, I'm not stylish. Hindi ako fashion aficionado. Pero nagulat ako na na-invite ako and na-meet ko siya. So na-meet ko siya. Nagkasabay kami kumuha ng drinks.
Okay.
Sa bar.
Both bumped
So,
into
paano
each
yun?
other.
Judd, you play the boss. And Makoy, ikaw si Makoy. Okay, ako yung bartender.
Sige.
Yes, sir. Anong drink?
Sir, one vodka Coke.
Vodka lang? Okay lang?
Yes,
Vodka?
one lang.
Okay, sige.
Hi.
Oh.
Uy.
Hi. Ako din, vodka din ako.
Vodka rin, sir?
Vodka din.
Vodka nga dyan!
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
What brings you here?
Someone invited me from the PR agency.
Oh, wow. Good for you.
Thank
Ito, sir,
you.
vodka. Vodka. Ito na.
Thank you.
Ayan. Pakipasa na lang dyan sa kausap niyo, sir, kung sino man yan.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Suman, sir. Gusto mo suman?
Yes.
Thank
Goes
you.
well with the vodka.
Thank you. I'll go ahead, But
Okay.
good to see you.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
Bye-bye.
Ganun lang!
Ganun lang.
Walang
Pero,
chat-chat.
wala kaming chit-chat, pero hined to toe niya pa rin ako.
my
So
God.
tama yung ginawa ko na parang good for you.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Kasi tama eh.
How old is this person?
Same age? Ganun?
No, about, I think, mga nasa 50s, early 50s na.
Okay, I can see
Oo.
it.
So talagang tinanong niya ako noon parang sabi niya, what brings you here?
Okay.
And
And
then I said, someone invited me from a PR agency.
Mm-hmm.
Niya, I see. I didn't know that you're into fashion now.
May mga
May
ganon.
pitik pa din. May
May-
pitik pa din, di ba? Parang, for a person na hindi mo nakita ng 8 years,
They haven't changed. Parang ganon.
sasabihin, talagang, I didn't know that you're into fashion.
why would you even say that in the first place?
Diba? Tapos
I mean,
hindi mo ako nakita ng 8 taon or
It's so rude nga.
Even 9 years pa yata kami hindi nagkita.
Kasi pwede ka mag-hello eh.
Oo,
Or talk about the event.
Pwede ka, oy, kamusta?
Yeah.
may
Good to
ganon
see
eh.
you. Parang ganon.
May ganon. So parang sabi ko, good to see you. Pagtalikod ko talaga, sabi ko, hindi talaga siya nagbago. Ganon pa din siya.
Kupal talaga.
Oo.
Okay.
Letter K talaga siya. Oo.
Capital
okay.
K. Okay. How was that feeling though? Kasi ako, I love those moments. Na I also had an interaction with, kwento ko na rin dyan.
Kwento mo
Mabilis
na.
lang to. Kasi, nag-stand up ako before. Hindi pa ako magaling nito. Like, 3 years ago. Mga ganun. Hindi ko sabi na magaling ako now, but I'm better now. Okay. Baka lang sabihin nyo, yabang nito But, may results eh. Anyway. So, nag-post ako ng clip stand-up clip before. It was a very, medyo controversial kasi ang daming negative na nakuha. So, I took it down kasi I don't like upsetting people that much.
Okay.
Na parang, this is too much.
Okay.
Pero it reached like, natuwa ako kasi grabe yung traction.
Mhm.
First video ko yun na pinost na ganun yung nakuha. Pero nasa negative side. So, I learned, took it down, never did it again.
Mhm.
Pero I took a screenshot of a person's comment who was also a comedian.
Okay.
Air quotes comedian. Because I don't really know if he's really a comedian.
Mhm.
He
If he's-
brands himself
Yeah.
as a comedian, but I don't see any content whatsoever. Sabi niya, alam ko hindi nakakatawa yung set mo. Yun yung sabi niya. Trust me, comedian ako. Nagtrabaho ako sa ABS, nagtrabaho ako sa ganitong show, ganyan-ganyan.
Mhm.
Trust me, hindi nakakatawa yung set mo. A few years have passed. Siguro 3 years have passed.
Mhm.
Ganyan. Nakatawa siya sa open mic.
Okay.
Sa QC. Nandun ako sa same
Cinema.
lineup. It's just an open mic. I wasn't supposed to go, but I made sure that I got to do a set.
Mhm.
Tapos, hindi ko alam, pero magkasunod kami. So, nauna ako, sabi ko, okay, alam ko bago tong material na gagawin ko, pero this has to kill in front of few people.
Mhm.
So, I made sure that I did a tight set. I made sure that I would do a good set to the point na may pag-asang bumomba siya.
OMG.
And, never ako nag-pray na bumomba yung kasunod ko.
Mhm.
Just for that guy. Na parang,
special. He was
okay,
a
sige,
special case.
sundan mo yun.
Mhm.
And then he kind of bumped. So parang, to me,
Did you watch? Like,
I
did you
didn't
stay?
feel good after. Pero, may satisfaction.
Yeah,
Na
gets,
parang,
gets.
sige, okay. And then, nung paalis na, eto na yung icing on the cake. Fist bump niya lahat. Nung sa akin, gumanon ako sa kanya. Parang tinignan ko lang yung kamay niya ganun. And then,
Pero yung action niya, parang
oo,
fist bump din sa'yo.
nakalutang yung kamay niya
about
ganun.
to.
Yeah,
About
yeah,
to
yeah.
pag ganon. Oh.
Tapos sabi ko, and then, he went away na.
So you didn't reciprocate?
Nah,
Well,
dude.
he didn't
Parang
deserve
to me,
Grabe.
It felt good and bad at the same time. But at least wala na yung itch na, kasi wala naman siyang bearing sa buhay ko. Eh.
Oh.
It's just that, there's this instance na ginago mo ako. I just wanna,
And it pushed you to be excellent even more sa one set na
Here's
yun.
the thing, Judd. I don't even need him to motivate me. I'm always motivated to do what I wanna do. I don't need an external factor for me to be inspired. Kasi it comes, palabas ako lagi. So,
Pero alam mo, ano yun iba yung feeling nung tao na about to fist bump, tapos yung if-fist,
Yeah.
yung gusto mong or even shake hands nga eh.
kasi I think tingin niya hindi ko nakita eh. Kasi I never reacted to that comment. But
Though ginagawa ko yan sa iba na hindi maganda rin ang trato sa akin. Na parang about to shake hand and then hindi ko rin i-shake hand. May mga bad bad traits.
this
Sorry.
is so new to
I'm
me.
just a human. As in, may ganon.
Alam mo-
Pero okay lang yan. That's fine.
Yeah.
At least yung itch mo nawala na.
Yeah, and it's not like he did something worse.
Yeah, he
Na
was
parang-
the instigator.
Akala niya siguro like, walang mangyayari dito
Oo,
sa
tapos
tao.
sasabihin ng mga tao, choose to be kind. Ano
Nah.
choose to be kind?
That's-
Kung ikaw yung dapat naging kind in the first place, hindi mangyayari yan.
Violate mo na yung first rule eh.
Right.
Diba? Ba't ko susundin yung rule kung violate mo in the first
Oh,
place?
alam mo, Leland and Judd, parang yan yung mga tao na may mga pinopost na sa FB nila. Na parang, always choose kindness. I always choose peace. Tapos may mga quotes na dyan.
Biblical.
Oo, tapos sila pala yung nangunguna na makipagrambulan dyan sa labas,
Yeah.
diba? So,
I mean, the fact na sinasabi mo yan publicly, alam mong may kulo ka eh. Kasi you don't even have to say that you're a good person, that you're choosing the higher route. No. Hindi mo siya kailangan sabihin. Gawin mo
Yes.
lang siya. If you have to voice it out, malamang sa loob yung kulo mo eh.
correct.
Diba?
Maraming ganyan.
Diba?
Hey, his name is Chico Garcia.
And his name is Gino Quillamor.
And together, we are Only Fun.
That's right, for only $12 a month.
But if you're willing to pay, why not? No, we're from a podcast that talks about movies, TV shows. Basically, we do reviews of K-dramas, whatever is on streaming, whatever is on cinemas. We also get to occasionally interview celebrities, actors, directors,
and of course infused with our own witty brand of humor and slice of life.
Wow. I guess we don't infuse a lot.
Check it out.
So anyway, gusto ko lang tanungin if you have that side. But I do have a lot of questions pa for you. And I wish na eto. So kasi nandito tayo sa who's on your list.
Okay.
Gusto ko tanungin ng top 3. You mentioned kanina Lloyd Cadena, one of the, pioneers nga, one of the inspirations that you had, before. Pero if meron kang top 3 na funny content creators or influencers in your own field. Sino top 3 mo? You can include yourself.
Top 3. Well, number 1, si Christian Antolin is very good.
Christian Antolin.
Yeah, si Christian Antolin. Nakakatawa yung mga videos niya.
Okay.
Natutuwa ako sa kanya, to be fair. And so one of the nicest guys in
Shout
the
out, Christian.
content creation industry. Very nice in person. And of course, creative. Kasi hindi biro yung mga green screen na ginagawa niya Hindi biro. So hats off to him talaga.
Right.
And he's smart. He's very smart. Another one siguro siguro hindi naman sobrang content creation, pero siguro sa mga komedyante. Si Ate Kay malaki ang utang, Ate Kay Brosas, malaki ang utang na loob ko dyan.
Legendary Ate
Si
Kay.
Kay Brosas, I just wanna say one of the mga tao na pinagpapasalamatan ko because kung hindi dahil sa kanya na hindi nga ini-stitch yung mga videos ko nung pandemic, hindi ako hindi rin magkakaroon ng mga views.
Ng mas malaking audience.
Yan, ng mas malaking audience kasi definitely during the pandemic, malaki na yung audience ni Ate Kay, 'di ba? Dahil nga matagal na siya sa industriya.
Alam ko, nagsa-stand up din siya eh. Or if it's not stand up, it's like one of those things na live performances magpapatawa while singing.
Oo, while singing, ganyan. So, sobrang laki ng utang na loob ko dyan kay Ate Kay Brosas and no words can match talaga how thankful I am. And then, yun nga, napunta rin ako sa management niya, sa Cornerstone. So, I'm also with Cornerstone for 5 years now. And then, siguro, number 3, hindi siya taga-Pilipinas eh. Pero, siya, si Jonathan Bino, if you would check his Instagram account, nakakatawa kasi yung mga videos niya. Tsaka si CSA Punch.
Okay.
Sorry, si CSA Punch and Jonathan Bino.
I need to search this people.
Mga
Tied for third.
Tied for third yan. Mga American content creators na very nostalgic din yung content. So, dyan din ako kumukuha minsan ng inspiration.
Right. Sorry, bangit ko lang. Yung content na pinost mo, hindi siya recent content eh. Pero every time I see you on my feed, I always go back to that.
Alin to?
Yung electric fan na ginagawa mong, Gyro, how do you say that? Gyro Velociraptor?
Chiropractor.
Chiropractor, yan. Tawa ako. Kasi sabi ko, masisira ba ni Mako yung electric fan niya?
Yan eh. Tsaka meron pa yung favorite ko din yung yung the electric fan, you sing in front of the electric fan.
Yes, auto-tune.
For the auto-tune feels.
Namatay na ba si Auntie Julie?
Si Auntie Julie, hindi mo siya namatay.
Nasa bulsa mo lang siya.
Oo, parang pag kailangan lang or pag gusto ko lang siyang gawin.
But that was a major hit.
I love the Konya representation then of Auntie Julie.
Oh, thank you. Hindi, kasi during the pandemic, when Auntie Julie happened, I didn't expect na maraming maraming matutuwa or marami ring may ayaw sa kanya.
Oh,
Lagi
ayaw?
may,
May mga
may
ayaw?
ayaw, may gusto. Lagi namang ganun
Ano,
diba?
mga boomer, ganun.
Or mga titas din, gano'n.
Ewan ko, baka
Hindi
mga,
kami ganyan, ha?
Oo, hindi kami ganyan.
Sorry, ito lang yung boses na kayo.
Hindi ganyan ang mga taga Poveda. Biro lang. Pero na-feel ko yung validation ni Auntie Julie nung pumunta kami nung homecoming ng Poveda. And then may isang tita na lumapit sa akin. Sabi niya, "Thank you for creating Auntie Julie. We felt seen."
Yes! A very oppressed sector in
Yeah.
society.
And
you
yeah.
help them out.
And yeah, we go to Gale.
Lapit walking distance.
Walking distance lang eh.
Is it true? I based on our research, parang I saw na Auntie Julie was inspired by your childhood. Is that true? Like how, if ever, how so?
Childhood, but also inspired by my mom and super inspired by my former client in real estate.
Former client.
Kasi nagkaroon ako ng client sa real estate na really acts like Auntie Julie. As in pearls all over. Tsaka yung the way she talk.
Pamaypay.
Oo, talagang tapos taga Poveda din siya.
Okay.
So, pero hindi Julia name niya.
Julia.
Julieta.
Julieta.
Then,
Henrietta.
Julieta. Then, yun, siya yung pinaka naging inspiration talaga. Parang,
okay.
Parang pwede maging character ito
So,
Yan.
when you get inspirations, do they come from real people?
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, the characters naman na ginagawa natin sa social media, like for example, the
Yung boss.
Attorney Katigbak, the Lisa B, yung boss na yellow yung wig.
Yeah.
Recently ngayon, si Professor Valieras, lahat naman yan,
Ay,
yung di ba yung sexy prof.
tapos may
Oo.
board.
Dapat nga may boobs pa yun, kaya lang, baka ma-call out naman
mayari
ako.
na naman.
Ma-call out na naman ako. But anyway, the characters kasi, lahat yun galing sa past experiences eh. Tsaka sa mga taong nakaka-work ko din. So, like for example, the Auntie Julie was a former real estate client. The Lisa B was a former CEO at an ad agency. So, ano talaga siya? From experiences, from slices of life siya.
Sino favorite mo dun?
Pinaka-favorite ko of all time, Lisa B.
Yung yellow.
Okay.
Kasi, whenever I make skits about corporate life, merong nakaka-relate. Kasi
Yeah.
lahat tayo nagtatrabaho eh.
Yep.
At some point of our lives, di ba, lahat tayo nakapag-opisina, nakapag-deal with a difficult
Nag-long
coworker, nag-long sleeves, di ba, nag-commute. So, but the Auntie Julie, it's a niche character
Yes.
because not is everyone had a tita like that.
Not just that, an office mate like that.
Di ba? Hindi lahat ganun eh.
Yeah.
So, very niche si Auntie Julie.
Pero kasi, Mary Grace talaga eh. Like, whenever I see Auntie Julie sa feed ko, napipicture mo na kahit wala kang background minsan. Mapicture mo na nandun siya eh.
Mary Grace or Via Mare.
Yes,
Via
for
Mare,
the
di ba?
meal.
Puto bongbong, alam mo
Punta
yun.
ka ng Rockwell.
The
Power
Via Mare
plant.
there, yeah.
Ground floor.
Di ba? Ground floor. Katapat nung, ano ba yung Gordos ba yun? Hindi ko
Gordos.
matandaan.
Very tita place din yung
Di ba
Gordos.
pagka naghihintay ka ng Grab,
Yeah, it's there sa entrance.
the konyo titas are talking, what happened to Julio? Yeah. Whatever happened to that lot in Alabang? Mga ganon ang topic.
Ngayon, nasa wala na kasing dinindulukan ngayon. So, nasa na sila. Ano yung pinalit?
Oo nga, anong pinalit doon?
Greyhound.
Greyhound. Your single origin.
Yeah. Pero
Parang
dinindaluka yung OG.
Parang you know that a place is medyo social when even the adults, parang pure English sila. Kasi gets ko yung kids. Kasi the younger generation mas English era na. Pero pati yung old people, like yung lolo, all English. Pero wow!
Oo. Tulad yan kanina while waiting for Grab. May dalawa na straight English.
Saan to?
Parang California accent pa nga.
Yung
power
driver
plant.
niya.
Power
Sa
plant.
power plant.
Okay.
And then when I
gets
saw,
talaga.
parang mga Gen Z to Saan kayo nag-aaral to? Sa PAREF?
Mga Woodrose, Southridge.
Diba?
Pero among the characters na ginawa mo, kanino ka pinaka na call out?
Pinaka na call out. Siguro kay Auntie Julie din.
Talaga?
Because nung nangyari si Auntie Julie character, it was during the pandemic.
Right.
And during the pandemic, the emotions of people on social media, it's mixed.
Okay.
'Di ba parang ang dami kasi nating trauma projection or let's say marami tayong mga projections kasi during the pandemic na parang hindi man totoo yung mga tita na ganyan. Okay ba yan sa mga Teresians, the one who runs Poveda.
Right.
So, they call out, 'di ba? Parang trying hard, Makoy, mga ganon.
no.
So,
Hindi nila nagigets yung sense of humor behind it.
yeah, ako nga sabi ko nga sa kanila, even with my with my friends, pag hindi kayo natatawa sa joke, even stand-up comedy man yan or let's say gag show man yan sa TV or let's say even on social media, pag hindi ka natatawa sa joke, hindi ikaw ang target market.
Yun lang yun, guys. Yun lang yun. Hindi siya...
You're not the target market.
Ang pinaka nakakainis, Makoy, nakita ko na to sa lahat ng fina-follow ko content creator. Kailan po pwede tumawa? Like, sabihan mo ako, Lods, pag tatawa na... Like, meron pa isa, ito yung favorite ko ngayon. Pinipilit kong tumawa pero hindi talaga ako matawa eh. Huwag mong pilitin yung sarili.
Correct.
Mag-scroll up ka, hindi para sa'yo yan. Aksidente lang na napunta sa algo mo yan.
'Di ba?
Yeah.
Pero like for example, Judd and Leland, comedy and humor is universal. Pero comedy also may different levels 'yan.
Yes.
May dark comedy, may konyo comedy.
The best comedy,
'di ba?
actually,
May
yeah.
tita comedy, may old tito joke comedy, may comedy nga na pangbading din na mga bakla lang mga tomboy bakla lang ang makakagets. May jokes din na very specific din na pang school. Kunwari, mga Tomasino lang makakagets nito. Right? Or even Athenians lang can get this.
Lang.
Even office jokes are, na sila makakagets. So, whenever you put that on social media, tapos pag nakakita ko ng comment na, trying hard, minsan na lang iniisip ko, hindi naman kasi ikaw yung target market ko eh. Diba?
So parang music lang yan, guys. Like not everyone likes jazz.
Yeah.
Not everyone likes hip hop. But
K-pop.
may specific audiences yung mga yan.
Oo.
So you can't even force yourself to like a genre. Yun yung sa akin eh. You can't force yourself to like horror. You can't force yourself to like chick flicks. But regardless of your support, regardless of your interest, may audience yan lahat.
Correct. Parang Viva Max lang yan.
Oh!
Diba?
To be fair, even under Viva Max, ang dami-daming genre din eh.
Oo, maraming genre. So, yun ang...
Hindi ko
yun ang
sinasabing
ano ko.
napanood ko yun lahat. Pero,
diba?
Sorry, I
alam mo yun.
wouldn't know then. Parang, I'm a bit, can't relate.
Okay.
Oh. What's Viva Max, Jod? O kita mo, hindi nga rin kasi hindi siya target market ng Viva Max.
But I'm not hating on it.
Oh, diba?
Hating on
Jed,
it.
yung grinder mo tumutunog.
Ay, okay. Sorry, I'll take this lang. Pause.
No, I think that was the very first gay joke na ginawa natin sa podcast na to.
Yay! See, different kinds of jokes. All kinds of humor.
Not that it's part of the goals.
KPI pala siya, no?
Ito, medyo favorite segment ko to.
Oh, shit.
We talked about kanina. We had a lot of fun. Pero but before that pala, ito, munti ko nang makalimutan. Gusto kong tanungin si Makoy tungkol sa driving pala.
Yes!
Okay.
Please!
Nag-usap kami before recording
kanina.
This is it.
ni Makoy na sabi ko, past few months, like puro car content ka and I never expected you to be that kind of a car person, car enthusiast.
It's so cool.
Sa ganong level.
Mm.
So sabi ko, grabe, this is another side. Ang dami mong aspects. Kumbaga, if gagawa ka ng, ano ba tawag dito? If gagawa ka ng apparatus.
Ang ganda ng apparatus, very science.
Swiss Army knife.
Ilang red jumpsuit ang nandun? Hindi, ilang Makoy dubs yung meron. So you have car, you have your skits, you have your improv. You have a lot of stuff going on for you.
Your charity work. Of
The
course.
charity work,
Yeah.
the philanthropy work.
Yeah. That's your favorite.
Para kang Iron Man in your own sense. But, like, meron nga bang favorite dun?
Sa mga segments na yon.
Yeah. Ano yung parang, grabe yung nafe-feel ko pag gumagawa ko ng ganitong content. And I'm betting that it's car content.
Or
Oh my.
if he had to drop everything and keep one lang. Which,
Oh my God.
Magagalit fanbase ni Moit.
Oh, hindi, okay lang naman yan.
it's for you. It's for you.
Okay, I'm going to say this, okay. Ako tinanggap ko naman na hindi lahat ng plans natutuloy. Like for example, I want to be a newscaster. Kaya nga ako nag-com arts nung college. I already accepted that. Napunta ako ng ad agency. Napunta ako ng TV5 before, 'di ba, sa noontime show, pero 6 months. Content creation, yes, nandyan yan. Pero the automotive,
Yes.
I can't let it go.
Sabi na eh.
I can't.
I knew it.
Yes.
I can't let it go. Kasi lahat tayo, kumbaga, cars or automotive, mobility, motorcycles, essential yan sa buhay ng tao.
Part of life.
Alam mo ba't ko naamoy?
Bakit?
Na yun yung pinakagusto mong ginagawa.
Bakit?
Every time nagpo-post ka ng story, iba yung emotion mo when you're posting a car content.
Oh my God.
Na parang iba yung like,
Infectious.
I love what I'm doing kind of face.
I was
Na
born
parang,
for this.
yeah.
Really?
Yan yung gusto niya
Really?
gawin.
Oh
Yan yung
my
gusto niya
God.
gawin.
Grabe naman.
Yeah,
Na-feel
like,
mo yun.
Oo,
Thank
pagka
you.
nagpo-post ka ng stories, tapos nagda-drive ka, sabi ko, yan yung gusto niya. Iba, I'm not saying that you don't like doing funny content. That's your thing. Pero as far as I think your internal happiness, making that tawag dito, inner child happy, I think you get that dun sa car content.
Thank you so much.
Naamoy ko siya talaga.
Someone, already, I felt valid. Thank you.
Yeah.
It
And
means a lot.
congrats sa lahat ng collaborations
I'm
mo
glad
sa
it's working
kotse.
Salamat. Sana nga, magtuloy-tuloy pa. But yeah, car content, it's the one I love, but also the characters, yung mga skits, nandyan pa din yan, di naman natin yan iiwan.
Of course.
Kasi pwede naman tayo gumawa ng character na naka-SUV.
Tama.
Are you
Diba?
working on more
Having-
car characters?
Pwede naman. Kaya lang baka i-bash ako ng mga car club.
At dahil dyan,
Oh.
anong kotse ang pinakakupal sa daan?
I'm sorry for saying this, but this is very unfiltered take.
Okay.
Ang pinakakupal talaga for me, SUV.
Okay.
Any
Hindi
brand.
sedan.
Okay, I was gonna
Okay.
ask.
Any brand.
Any brand of SUV. Okay, ano sabihin mo?
Kala ko you would like mention Fortuner or something.
No, pero eto I read somewhere na it's universal in Malaysia, in Indonesia and in Thailand, the Coops drivers are Fortuners.
Talaga? Same here.
Oh, wow.
Sorry I mean, wag niyo akong
Malaysians-
babarilin.
Gusto ko yung kumuha ka pa ng data outside.
Hindi, promise talaga.
According to Malaysians,
Hindi
tama
to
ba?
according sa Pilipinas Malaysia to. Pero, yun yung kupal.
Pero may kwento
Well.
daw. May psychology behind it.
Okay.
Nakapagtanong
Pag
ako.
may pamilya ka, mas bad trip kang tao.
Oo, mas bad trip ka, mas protective ka. Pero eto pa, may natutunan ako na tinanong ko sa kaibigan ko na psychologist. Kasi nagkaroon siya ng thesis study about road rage.
Okay.
Okay, ganda.
And most of the road rage incidents in ASEAN region, ang involved are SUV and pickup drivers. Not sedan, not sports cars drivers, but SUV and pickup drivers.
Pick up then.
Yeah, and you know what? Ang pinaka main reason ba't sila nai-involve sa road rage and bakit ganun ang attitude ng SUV drivers or
Bakit?
pickup drivers, it's because they felt big and proud na malaking sasakyan yung dinadrive nila.
Yun yung Napoleon complex, di ba?
Baka, na parang it's the only chance to feel big.
Yeah. And in the Philippines, eto,
I can pull it all my life.
yeah, ganun. And in the Philippines, parang car is a success meter.
True, if you can afford
Yep.
it.
'Di ba? Parang pag malaki sasakyan mo sa Pilipinas, you've made it.
Yep.
Parang I made it, naka-SUV na ako.
So sila yung parang newly made it. So parang they're new to this parang power.
Doesn't have to
Ganon.
be new nga eh.
No,
Even though-
Parang once you get there, once you have like 2 to 3 pickup trucks.
Forever na yun.
Naka-Raptor ka. Iba na yun. Lalo na yung Napoleon complex is, it doesn't have to be na maliit kang tao eh. Yung Napoleon is getting something that you aspired na pag nakuha mo yun, pwede na ako magyabang.
Oo.
Pwede na maging kupal.
Pero apparently, hindi rin na realize or unconscious din yung mga SUV and pickup drivers na kupal na pala sila.
Hindi nila alam to.
Hindi nila alam. Most of the time.
Okay.
Parang ang ano lang nila, ay sorry, hindi ko alam. Nagmamadali lang ako.
Main character sila.
Oo. Hindi nila nare-realize. So very interesting. Very interesting talaga na topic siya.
Okay.
Yun.
Pero thank you for
thank you
sharing
din. Pero
that.
ako request ko lang sa mga naka-Mirage tsaka Wigo, huwag kayong magbabad sa left lane. Charing! Eme lang.
Mais kayo Hindi, joke lang.
Charing lang po.
Pero
I love you.
I love that info about SUV.
Yeah.
Kasi ang dami mong anak Sinong hindi mababad trip? Kasi family car, if it's a family car, alam mo ilang anak mo, 2, 3, imposibleng masaya kang tao.
Pero pansinin mo, ay yung mga matitino na driver sa daan, yung mga hindi diesel.
Nakagas?
Tingin mo, mga naka-CRV, RAV4, mga naka-Tucson.
Kala ko puro Honda lang.
Hindi. Mga naka-ano, kunwari, let's say, mga
Mga hybrid
mix
of
Corolla Cross.
Relax lang.
Relax lang sila.
Okay, that's what I'll try to get.
Sige, kukunin ko yun.
Hindi,
Iwas
really,
ako
di ba?
sa-
Pansinin mo, pag nasa S-Lex ka, N-Lex ka, chill lang sila eh.
Sariling lane lang, walang
Oo,
angkinan.
di ba? Lalo na yung mga naka-mid-size sedan, yung mga naka-Camry, mga ano.
Mukha, I wanna ask, like, what's your opinion on not knowing how to drive when you're a certain age? Because, for example, I'm almost 30, but I still don't know how to drive. Is that like parang alarming thing?
Tama
or,
na, tama na. Hindi, joke.
Hindi naman alarming thing yon.
Okay.
Pero I assume may driver ka. Hindi, joke lang.
Oo, umabot ka sa ganong edad, tas may kotse ka, may driver ka. Imposibleng...
now more on Grab na or
It's fine naman. I mean, kung mas ano ka sa apps or ride-hailing or commuting na okay lang naman. Wala naman discrimination. Hindi ko naman na-feel na, oh my God, 35 ka na, 40 ka na, hindi ka pa rin marunong mag-drive. Hindi naman siya, ano?
It's not like an exclusive club na...
Oo.
Gets.
But
Normal
if
lang
you're in the US, maybe it's a different kind of story. Kasi sa US, kailangan mo talaga ng kotse, di ba?
Right. Okay.
But we're not in the US, right, Mom?
Mom, don't.
Yeah.
Now I wanna
Where's
learn.
my sandwich? Okay. Ito, nandito na tayo sa segment before we wrap it up. Ito ang paborito kong segment.
Okay.
This is called, although may nabigay ka ng mga takes kanina.
Okay.
Tingnan
sige.
natin baka meron pa.
Sige,
Meron ba?
sige.
Okay.
This is called Unfiltered Take.
Unfiltered take.
Okay.
Sorry,
Unfiltered
soundbite.
takes, this is any random take that you want to get off your chest lang. Maybe it's a pet peeve. Maybe it's an opinion that you want to say to other people. Maybe it's an itch. Parang, ba't ba ganito tong mga taong?
Okay. Sige. Kasi recently, napanood ko yung Fantastic Four.
Okay, let's go.
Pero I just wanna say that X-Men is better than Avengers.
Oh, X-Men.
wow.
The first one?
No, I mean
The entire-
the entire X-Men universe is better than the Avengers. I just wanna say.
Yeah, it's more
Okay.
political kasi. and more
Isa-sacrifice ko yung take ko para pag-usapan natin tong tatlo. Okay ba yun?
Yes.
Okay.
We're
Okay,
both very
why?
knowledgeable.
Can you expound on that?
Maraming Omega level mutants
Magneto,
sa X-Men. Yeah,
Professor
Yes.
X.
Magneto, Professor X, si Jean Grey pag naging
Jean Grey.
Phoenix, 'di ba? Si Storm, marami. And I think we acknowledge na magkaibang universe ang Avengers and X-Men.
Yes.
Because iba rin ang pinaglalaban ng Avengers. Earth's mightiest heroes
Yes.
yan.
Nagkaroon lang ng technical difficulties.
Yes.
Pero, as you were saying, Makoy, na may mas gusto mo ang X-Men kesa Avengers. Dahil ang X-Men ay mas human ba? Yung pinaglalaban
Yeah,
nila.
mas human-centric because
Okay.
syempre they aim for equality,
That's true.
integration sa society.
True.
But also visibility, 'di ba? So basically, it's really equality for mutants. Ganyan.
Right. Here's how I see it.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Before you
I
give
wanna
Go
hear
lang.
it. Okay.
if you're a kid, you would enjoy Avengers more, I think. Because it's simple. They save the world.
Right.
They save, may aliens, kung sino mang alien yung gusto pumunta, Thanos,
Okay.
kung sino man, yung mahabang anacondang robot. Diba? But X-Men, it's true na human-centric siya. If you're more mature and you want some more depth sa storyline, sa pinaglalabang social issues, you watch X-Men. You can watch X-Men 1, X2, Last Stand,
Days of
Origins,
Future
lahat.
Past.
Mas mature yung pinaglalaban sa X-Men. Even both sides, Magneto
True.
and Professor X,
nga, no.
they're fighting for, they think in their mind,
Their
pareho
philosophy.
nilang pinaglalaban yung equality. So si Magneto, gusto niya sabihin na hindi, minority tayong mutants. They're gonna know. Diba? They stepped on us, they bullied us, called us freaks. They're gonna know kung sino yung minority ngayon.
Yeah.
So may pinaglalaban din siya. On the other hand, there's this, very bald guy na si Professor X, gusto niya i-integrate pareho. Hindi, we can coexist. And to me, mas Machiavellian yung way ni Magneto. Pero I think, if nabully ka all your life, you have the right to feel that.
Kasi
Kaya hindi ako magagalit kay Magneto.
Yeah. Kasi grabe rin naman ang pinagdaanan ni Magneto, 'di ba?
Yeah. So,
Good take. Ang ganda nun.
diba? What about you?
I agree. Parang mutants, X-Men, they have a better depth nga. Like, I love nga yung commentary on their backgrounds. Parang si Magneto, the reason why he thinks that way is he came from a lots of struggles sa childhood niya. He came from war, his parents were abducted or something.
Tropa niya si Hitler. Diba?
Yeah, I mean,
diba?
against
Tropa niya ba o
Hitler.
against? Sorry.
I think he was Jewish, si Magneto.
I mean, they have the same motivation, pero...
Meanwhile, si Professor X, rich kid, konyo siya.
Yeah.
Si Professor X,
Yeah.
dude,
Mansion.
air-conditioned si Professor X buong buhay niya. Hindi siya lumaban sa war, meron lang siyang powers na, I can control you, blah, blah, blah. Dude, laking Zobel si Professor X.
Yes.
Si Magneto, scholar sa Don Bosco. Yun yung...
Tapos si Professor X, yung type na mag-post, choose kindness.
Yeah.
Guys, choose kindness. We're all equal.
Correct.
Malamang, yung powers mo, hindi ka parang si Mystique na blue eh.
Oo.
Di ba? Ang cool ng powers mo.
Tsaka ako X-Men ako kasi mas maraming gay icon ng X-Men.
Totoo. Yep.
Sila-
Ian McKellen, pare.
Ian McKellen.
Akala ko yung characters.
yeah, even the characters also.
Jubilee ba?
Yeah.
Ganon?
I think
Jubilee?
Mystique, is Mystique gay?
Ayan ang hindi ko sure.
She's
Pero si
she can-
Cyclops ang alam kong may
Wait lang.
Huh?
Ay, sorry.
I
don't know
I thought
this.
sa straight mask si Cyclops.
Baka ganyan. Hindi ko lang sure.
Ito yung hot take pala. No?
Oo.
Kaya pala siya naka-shades kasi tinitingnan niya yung biceps ni Wolverine.
Ganun pala yun. Oo.
I hate you, Logan.
Projected trauma lang yun.
Pero yeah, X-Men. I love.
Best X-Men movie before we,
The Days of Future Past.
Galing nga eh.
Such a good
Galing.
movie.
That's
Such a
true.
good movie. Introduction to ni di ba? Ni Quicksilver din. Tama ba?
This is when Wolverine...
Quicksilver?
Di ba?
Ay, hindi ko sure.
I think he was there sa
Hindi ba?
Fantastic
first
Four.
class. First class si Quicksilver.
Baka first class.
Baka first class nga. Sorry.
Oo.
Ang dami ng X-Men pero I love them
Ang
all.
dami nga
joke.
eh.
Tama ka.
Favorite.
Tama ka.
Di ba? Days of
Yeah,
Future. Okay.
Days of
They
Future
needed his
Past.
help eh.
Favorite
Mutant.
X-Men movie ko of all time. X-Men Origins ni Wolverine.
Ayo.
Damn.
Yung
that was
nilabanan
always-
niya si Wade.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Ryan Reynolds.
we're about to wrap things up. Actually, we're wrapping up.
Yes.
So, meron kaming ginagawa dito. It's called Unfiltered Question. Yung ba yun?
we're working on the title.
Yeah. Basically, we ask our previous guest what he would ask the next guest, not knowing who it is.
Okay.
Okay, so this question came from Ikoy Rapadas. Shout out again to Ikoy.
Oh my God.
Ang
Yeah.
tanong niya is, ano ang death row meal mo? So, main course, drink, dessert, appetizer.
Shit. Okay, I love this.
Yeah.
Death row meal.
Yeah.
Okay, I want 3 pieces of fried chicken
Woo!
From
Very specific.
from
3.
Undocs.
Oh!
Okay.
All love.
And then spaghetti from my mom.
Okay.
That's the main course.
Sweet spaghetti?
No, medyo yung Italian spaghetti.
Italian spaghetti.
Wow.
And then pininyahang manok. Wow. And rice. Mamamatay ka na lang, sarapan mo na, damihan
Mahilig
mo
ka
na.
sa manok.
Mahilig ako sa manok.
Oh.
Nice.
Ano yung isa?
So that's your main course?
That's my main course.
Anong appetizer mo?
My appetizer, Tommy.
Oh,
Tommy!
sarap. Goated.
Okay,
Goated.
goated. Underrated.
Tommy chips, diba?
Yeah.
The corn chips.
yes.
Yeah, Tommy. That's
Habang
my appetizer.
stop, once you
Habang-
start,
Sorry bakiato eh. Ano yung isa?
Drink and
drink
dessert.
muna.
Gusto ko ng Cubano.
Cubano
Coffee.
Okay.
Alam ko, wine yun.
Cubano coffee from Decimal.
Decimal. Haven't tried it. Okay.
Yun ang drink.
Okay. Dessert?
Cubano coffee. Dessert, leche flan.
Okay.
From Via Mare.
Hindi naman. Leche flan from my mom. Yun lang. Yun lang
Oh,
your
wow.
mom. Yeah.
Shout out
Okay.
to
Death row
Chris
meal.
Mom.
Grabe. Ganda nun. Ang ganda ng pinanyahang manok.
Diba?
Okay. Yep. Very underrated dish, by the way.
Yeah, pininyahang manok.
Okay. Thank you. And dahil sinagot mo yung question ni Ikoy, kailangan mo itanong, may tanong ka dun sa next guest namin, not knowing who it will be.
Okay. If may power ka, if may superhuman power ka to kill a corrupt politician, what would be your power?
Ang ganda kasi dinudge niya kung sinong
Ano,
politician.
Muntik
Pumunta
na.
siya dun sa powers. Ang galing ni Makoy. Okay.
Muntik na.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Very excited.
Yeah, thank you.
Kasi-
thank you.
Ang ganda ng next guest namin. Like, hindi siya maganda pala. Sorry. Very controversial person.
Okay.
So, I'm excited for that. But thank you, Makoy.
Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
Makoy.
Thank you,
Thank you for
Lilan.
being
Thank you.
here.
So
Thank you,
fun.
Judd. Salamat. Thank you.
Papanoorin namin lahat ng improv shows mo.
Yes, I wanna
Panoorin niyo
watch.
siya sa improv. He's really good. Ibang Makoy yung mapapanood niya pag nanood kayo ng live shows niya. And
Parang
of course,
movie lang.
support sa success mo, Makoy. Thank
Salamat,
you so much
guys.
for...
Also supporting you. Thank you very, very
Thank
much.
you,
Salamat.
Makoy. We're
Thank
so
you,
honored.
Thank you.
Yan lang. And that's it for this episode. I'm Leland. He's Judd. He's Makoy. And this is Walang Edit.
Whee!
Yan lang. Huwag mo na edit yan. Post mo na yan, Gab. Salamat.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.